In today's video, I am going to give a comprehensive and detailed analysis on bearing. Class, bearing is what we term the angular movement from a point. Okay, so this bearing can be expressed in two ways. Either we express it in compass bearing, or we express it in three-digit what now? Bearing. Are you with me? Now, the question now is, what is the major difference or differences between a compass bearing and a three-digit what now? Bearing. Look at this, class. Now, compass bearing is based on what we call the cardinal point, or what now? North, west, south, and what now? And east. And what again? The starting point of a compass bearing can either be from the north or the south. Okay, I repeat. If you want to draw a compass bearing, our starting point, that angular movement, can come from the what now? North or the south. Class, please, I want you to take note of what I'm trying to lay more emphasis on here. Okay, if you understand this concept, bearing is just an aspect of mathematics that is very easy to understand. Look at this. I have to underline this north or south because the starting point of a compass bearing is from the north or the south. Now, take note of this. For three-digit bearing, we said is an angular clockwise movement between 0 degrees and 360 degrees, okay, of a point starting from the north. So the starting point of a three-digit bearing is only from the north. Are you with me? Now, let's go to our compass. Our compass has to do with what now? The four cardinal points. Are you with me? Meaning, this is our what now? Our north. Okay. This is our what now? Our south. Okay. This is our what now? Our east. And this is our what, class? Our west. Are you with me? Now, we term this one what now? Let's use what symbol? We have N. We have E for our east. We have S for our south. And we have W for our what now? Our west. Are you with me? So, if I want to move using compass bearing, I can either start my angular movement from the north or the south. Are you with me? So if I want to move from the north going to the east, okay, we have something like this. So it means this one will be what now? North-east. The angular movement between north and east is what we call north what? Northeast. I can either move from what now? North to east, or I move from what now? North to what now? To west. So here, this place, what I'm going to call this place, class, it will be what now? North what? Northwest. What is this portion going to be called? I can start from the what now? South, and move to the west, or I start from the south and move to the what now? East. Are you with me? So this place will be called our south what? Southwest. While this place will be called our south what now? Southeast. Okay? So we are always starting either from the what? North, or from the what now? South. If you are talking about what now? A compass what? Bearing. Let's take some example under what now? Under compass bearing. Let's assume we are given this. Given south what now? South 50 degree what now? West. Meaning we are coming from the south. We move how many degrees? We move 50 degrees towards the what now? Towards the west. Like we said, anytime we are dealing with bearing under compass bearing, is just analysis under the what now? Four cardinal what? Points. So this is, we have south as a point, we have west as a point. We're now moving 50 degrees, coming from the south, moving towards the what now? West. So I will have something like this. Are you with me, class? So these are what now? North. These are what now? West. This is east, and this is what now? South. How many degrees? Take note. From here to here is what now? 90. 90, 90, and what now? So each quadrant here, each space here is what now? 90. North to east, 90. South to east, 90. North to west, 90. Are you with me? South to what now? West is what now? Meaning the angle is what now? Is 90. So I want to move 50 degrees from the what now? South to the what? To the west. I'll move like this. It's not the scale. Are you with me now? So here, I'm coming from the what now? From the south, moving towards the what now? Towards the west. Then this will be what now? 50 what? 50 degrees. Are you with me? Do you understand, class? So let's also take another what now? Another example. Let's get another example. Let's assume I'm given what now? North 40-degree what now is not 40 degrees. This is a compass bearing. How will you know there's a compass bearing? You will see the words now, 4 cardinal points. It will be there. North, east, south, west. Are you with me now? So we have something like this. We have something like this. So yeah, we're moving from the what now? North. How many degrees? 40 degrees. Towards the what? Towards the east. So I'm looking for what now? My north and my what? My east. How many degrees am I moving? I'm moving 40 what now? 40 degrees. This is not a scale. So here we have what? 40 degrees. Okay. These are two examples under what now? Under compass what? Compass bearing. Are you with me? Take note of this diagram. Is very what now? Important. So let's now go to what now? Our three what now? Our 3-digit what? Bearing. Now look at this. Let's take some example under what now? 3-digit what? Bearing. We have 040 degrees. We have 150 what now? Degrees. Please, class, do you understand the concept of what now? Of compass bearing? If you do, or if you don't, you can pause the video and you check one or two things on the explanation under what now? Compass what? Compass. Because we can convert from compass bearing to what now? 3-digit bearing. Or we move from what now? 3 digits to compass. So our solid and comprehensive understanding of how to draw this diagram is very what now? Important. So look at this. Let's take just these two examples under what? Under 3-digit bearing. So we have 040 degrees. And we said starting point of a 3-digit bearing is what now? Is the north. That is one is always starting from the north. Okay. So here we have this. We have this. So these are what now? Our north. We're starting from the north. Okay. I'm moving what? 40 degrees. Okay. So move like this. 40 what now? 40 degrees. So this place is what now? Is 40 degrees. Our 3-digit bearing must always start from the what? From the north. Okay. So let's take second example. The second example is what now? 150 what now? Degrees. So it means I'm starting from the north for 3-digit bearing. So and we'll move what? We'll move what now? Clockwise direction. We'll move in the clockwise what now? Direction. That's another point to note under 3-digit bearing. We'll start from the north and we'll move in what now? Clockwise direction. These are clockwise. Are you with me in class? So here I want to draw angle 150. Starting from the north, moving what now? In the clockwise what? Direction. From here to here, rise up here? No, because this place is what? Is 90. Are you with me now? So we are going to move to this place. We are going to see our 150 in this quadrant. Are you with me? So we see our 150 in this quadrant. So this place will be what now? Everything here because to what? 15 what? 150. This is not to scale. Are you with me? It's not to scale. I'm just showing you that this 150 will be found in this what now? Second quadrant. Are you with me? Like I said, okay, previously, that we can do conversion from one form of bearing to the another form of what now? Bearing. Meaning, I can move from compass bearing to 3-digit bearing, or I move from what? 3-digit bearing to compass what now? Bearing. So let's take some example. Okay, here we have to what now? To convert 330 degrees to a compass what now? Bearing. We are converting 330 and we are converting 120. So let's do that, class. Let's do that. 330 and 120. Okay. So convert 330 degrees and 120 to compass bearing. So we have 330 degrees. That's the first question. And second question, to convert what now? 120 what now? Degrees. Class, before we can do this conversion, we must take note of this. What we call standard angle. We assume our standard angle in this case is 90. Are you with me now? You must know what we call standard what now? Angle. So it means we're going to be doing what now? Analysis. Bit by bit. To understand bearing, we'll do analysis bit by bit. You understand what I'm saying? Let me draw this diagram. So this is what now? What type of bearing is this, class? This is what now? A 3-digit bearing. We're now asked to convert it to what now? To compass what now? Bearing. Meaning it must have something like northeast, southeast, southwest, or what now? Or are you with me? So let's see what will happen. So here we take our what now? Our points. This is what now? North, because a 3-digit bearing must always start from the north. Okay, so we're going to move what now? 330 degrees. So we start from this place. Okay, this is 90. I won't stop here. This is another 90, making what now? 180. Are you with me? This is another 90, making what now? 360. So it means this 30 will be found in this place. Are you with me? Because this is 90. 90, 90. So our 330 must be found between what? In this place. So look at this. Let us draw our diagram. These are diagram. So let us do the analysis of what we call standard what? Standard angle. Okay? So once you know this one, then you can solve any question under what now? Under bearing. So we assume our standard angle is what? Is 90. So any question given, we'll break it down in form of what now? 90s. Okay? So here, I can see 190 degrees here. Are you with me? I can see another 90 degrees here. Okay? I can see another what now? 90 degrees here. Okay? So here we have what now? 270. Okay? So now, here, everything here is what now? Is 360. So which implies this place will be equal to what now? 30 what now degrees. Because why do I have 30 degrees? Because here 270. Okay, now 330 minus 270, that will give us what now? 60. Okay, because 60 plus 270 that I have here will be equal to what now? 330. And what is the remaining angle to make 360? That is what now? 30. Are you with me? So please take note of this arrangement. So we'll break it down. 90, 90, 90, and everything here is 360. This line here, from here, okay, to this point here is 360. So I have 90, 90, 90, meaning I have 270. So what is the remaining angle to make 330? That will be what now? That will be 60 degrees. And from here to here is 90. So out of 90, 60 is gone. What will be the remaining angle? That will be what now? 30. Okay. So what is now the what now? The compass form of this equation. So here I have my north and my what? My east. Sorry, my west. So it means that angle is between the what now? North and west what? Direction. So I'm coming from the north. I'm moving what now? 30 degrees towards the what now? West. Are you with me? So here we have what now? North, 30 degree what now? West. Because we said for compass bearing can either start from the what now? North or the south. So class, let's take the second question. Make sure you understand how to break this thing down bit by bit in form of what now? Standard what? Is very key. Standard angle is very key. So let's take 120. We are starting from the north. Okay. So these are 120. This is what? North. Start from the north. And move what now? In the clockwise direction. So here, like this, okay, this is 90. Are we going to stop here? No. We can find 120 in this place. Okay, are you with me? So 120 is this one. So these are what? 120. So this is 120. So it means everything here is what now? Is 120. Okay, so let us break it down. Like this first one. So it means how many standard angle am I going to see? I will see one. This is what now? This is what? This is 90. Are you with me, class? Are you getting me? So 90 plus what will give me 120? That is what now? 30. 90 plus 30 will give us what now? 120. So this is what? Is 30 what now? Degrees. 90 plus 30 is what? Is 120. So what is this remaining angle here? What is this remaining angle here? It is what now? It is 60. So let us see whether we need this 60 or not. So this is 60 degrees. So which implies what we are going to write for this compass bearing, okay, from what now? From this what now? 3 digits to what now? To compass will be, we are moving between what now? South and what now? And are you with me, class? So that angle is found between south and what now? And east. So we are moving from the south, angle of what now? 60 degrees towards the what now? East. So the compass bearing for this 120, which is a 3-digit bearing, will be south 60 degree what now? East. Are you with me? So the first one is north 30 degree what now? West. And the second one is south 60 degree east. Okay, class. Now, what I will do next is we are going to do what we call a reversed bearing. I will create another video for that. Make sure you watch the video. I'll put the description of this reversed bearing in the description box below. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the red subscribe button and you can watch any of my videos on the screen right now. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next class.